I absolutely love using Creative Fabrica, and I've used them for years. Here's a whole bunch of different fonts. Some of them are full price, 20 bucks. Some of them are on sale, $6, $2.40. Lots of good deals here for fonts. They've also got bundles. Bundles have sometimes hundreds, thousands even of fonts and different quote designs, different graphics. This one's $19. Used to be $10,000. Put away that $10,000. You only need $19. There's also free stuff. If you don't want to spend any money, you can go here and you can check out free designs. Free designs you can download and you can use right now. They come with a commercial license. However, in this video, I want to talk about the actual subscription. I've had questions about it, and in this video, all will be revealed. The all access subscription is $29 a month, and what's included in this price? You get all of this. I'm going to run through exactly what this is, and I've actually got a special offer for Zen Watercooler fans who are subscribed to this channel and who watch this video. You can take advantage of a special offer where you actually get a discount. So I'm going to jump in on the subscription right now. Okay, so if you've been on the Creative Fabrica website for any period of time, you've probably seen this subscriptions. And if you're wondering how I got there, when you're on the main page, there's fonts, there's graphics, there's crafts. Well, over on the right-hand side here, there's a subscription link. So when I click on the subscription link, it's going to say, hey, for $29 a month US, you can get started. And what's included in the price, you get everything in this subscription, which is almost 40,000 cut files. And you get access to 56,000 plus fonts, 2.5 million graphics, almost 40,000 cut files. And if you're wondering what a cut file is, they're die cutting machines, such as I call it a Cricut machine, but I've heard people call it a Cricut machine. There's also Silhouette, but basically you can use this now to help like to use for cutting. So if you've got a woodworking machine or a Cricut machine, that sort of thing, embroidery designs, and the commercial license. So I've got a couple of questions that people have asked, and I'm going to jump in and answer those right now about the license. Do subscribers get access to every image on the site when they subscribe? The answer is yes, they do. You will get access to everything on our site, all designs, all fonts, and all tools. That's pretty cool. Okay, another common question that I get is, if you subscribe, so you get this subscription, will you get access to the images as long as you're an active subscriber, or will you lose the commercial license for those designs once you unsubscribe? So just as an example, I'm just going to go here to graphics, and I'm just going to go to, say, home crafts. I'll open that up. So if you're a subscriber, there's no prices on any of these. You would just get them for free. Everything would be a zero. So you could just click on this sarcastic SVG bundle, for example, and instead of $3.40, it would just say included, and you could just download it instantly. So you would get access to all of these. Now the question is, if you stop your subscription, do you lose the commercial license to these designs? And the answer is yes. When you cancel your subscription, the commercial license for creating new designs becomes invalid. However, you're still allowed to use the designs that you created while your subscription was valid. So if you download this, let's say you're subscribed for a year, and during that year you create 30,000 designs, and then you lose your subscription, you stop subscribing, you still can use the designs that you created. What I would recommend, and this is the big tip for everybody who's ever going to use Creative Fabrica or any other commercial design platform like this, is change the design. So take this, take this design. Let's say you're going to use sarcasm is my language. You're going to change this a tiny bit. Change the little graphic, change the font underneath it, change the color, add a circle, add a frame, add a wood background, whatever it is you're going to do, make the design different, because then it's your design now. So you're using these as platforms, time savers, to build what you would like to build to sell your t-shirts. You're not just taking these designs and uploading them. You're using this as a springboard to create your own art. Okay, so I'm very excited to share this with you. For Creative Fabrica people that are part of the Zen Watercooler community, if you're interested, normally the unlimited access subscription is $29. And for anybody who clicks the link in this video description, you will get it for $20.30. So it's about like 1/3 off. So you get unlimited access for $20.30. That's about 30% off. The discounted price is valid every month forever, and commercial use is allowed. You just click this button. So in the video description below, if you're interested, click the link, check it out. Save 10 bucks, save 10 bucks every month. That's pretty cool. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link. So if you do decide to buy this, I would receive a small commission based on that purchase, and you'd be helping support this site. So that having been said, I do recommend Creative Fabrica. I love the website. And the thing I really like about it is you can test stuff out. Go to the freebies section and see if you like the quality of the designs, for example. There's almost 20,000 freebies. You can see here it says 19,364. You can go to fonts. You can check out graphics. You can check out embroidery if you're into that sort of thing. I personally love the bundles. The bundles collections are pretty ridiculous. I mean, you're getting a couple thousand designs for 20 bucks, 10 bucks, 9 bucks. It's just bundles and bundles and bundles. So I would totally recommend checking these out in more detail, because for $8, you get this and you keep it. There is no subscription if you just buy a bundle, by the way. If you click the link below and you decided, I just want to try a bundle for 9 bucks, you keep the commercial license forever on that. You don't lose it because you're not subscribed. You're just doing a one-time purchase. But if you'd like to subscribe, because look, for 20 bucks a month, you get a ton of stuff, then you can use the designs while you have the subscription, and you can use it to make as much artwork as you would like. It's a huge time saver. So I hope you guys found that helpful. As always, feel free to like, comment, leave me a question. I have a pretty good pathway back to Creative Fabrica, and I can always ask them if there's a question that comes up. But yeah, I'm happy to be an ambassador for Creative Fabrica. I absolutely love the product. I love the quality of it. And I love the website. Very intuitive to use as well. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.